Fox Makeup. In today's video, we're going to review and swatch the newly launched Strawberry Dewy Tinted Sunscreen from Dot & Key. It's creating a lot of hype in the market and you're going to know everything about this sunscreen today. I have gone through each and every ingredient that is added in this sunscreen, so I know what is exactly present in the sunscreen. We're also going to do a transfer proof test, a waterproof test, so stay tuned for that till the end of the video. I have applied 2 different variants on my face. Can you tell the difference? Stop, pause this video and let me know if you're really seeing any difference on my face. Without wasting any time, let's quickly get into the video. So I have all the 3 variants with me. So we're going to swatch and review all of them. This is how the outer packaging of the sunscreen looks like. It has all the details of the sunscreen, SPF of this sunscreen, the detailed list of ingredients present in the sunscreen, price, expiry, and also the benefits of applying this sunscreen. Everything is mentioned in this box itself. It also has the shade on one side. To the price point, these are priced at ₹549 and you get 50 ml of product with 2 years of expiry, guys, which is a very good thing. $549 looks like a slightly higher price compared to the other sunscreens available in the market. Quantity is equal to what you get in other sunscreens. You usually get 50 ml of product, 50 grams of product, so it is very much equal to that. This sunscreen comes with an SPF of 50 PA++++, guys. So it also gives you protection against UVA, UVB and blue light, which is a very good thing because blue light protection is also very important because we are almost exposed to the screen all the time during the day. So even blue light can cause harm to your skin, so it protects us from that as well. This is how the inner packaging looks like. It's a very cute small bottle. What I really love about this packaging is it is not that round bottle, because whenever you are traveling, I know if you have traveled before, you know how difficult it is to pack these big round bottles in your suitcase. This is a very nice flat bottle and it can easily fit into your handbag, your luggage. It's very travel friendly packaging. I really love this fact. And this is a twist open cap. It's not a snap cap, so it will not come off, and it has a very small nozzle through which the product can come out, and the product is really runny, and it is not like watery, but it is quite runny, so it is not going to be difficult for you to dispense a product from this packaging. The packaging also has all the details mentioned, including the name and the SPF and everything. It also has the expiry date, shade name mentioned in the packaging. The consistency of this sunscreen is really very good, guys. It is runny but not so runny at the same time. It has some kind of a thickness to it, but the brand says that you need 3 fingerful of this sunscreen for your entire face. The consistency feels really smooth and silky. It applies very evenly. There is no patchiness, there is no tackiness. It takes a little bit of time to get absorbed, but it gives a very beautiful coverage to your face, and it also covers the darkness of your eyes and dark spots and pigmentation.
There are 3 different shades available in this sunscreen for 3 different skin tones. Let me swatch it on my face and show you guys. First shade we have here is 01 Porcelain. This has very minimum pigment and it looks more like a white sunscreen. This is ideal for those who have fair and very fair skin tones. The next shade we have here is Sand. This is suitable for medium skin tones according to the brand. The last shade we have here is Beach. This is ideal for deeper skin tones. I feel like the shade Sand and Beach doesn't have a lot of difference in this shade. Let me apply the Sand variant on one side of my face. Coming to the formula, it is very creamy. It is not so runny. It has a slight thick consistency, and so when you apply it, it takes a bit to get absorbed completely into your skin, but later it becomes like a very shiny, nice glowy finish, like a skin tint is being applied to your skin. I really love the finish of this sunscreen. You can see for yourself the difference between the before and after the application of this sunscreen. This shade is definitely lighter for my skin tone, but I can still wear this on an everyday basis. Next, I am applying the Beach variant on the other side of my face. And wow, look at the pigment, guys. I really love the pigmentation of this particular shade. It is exactly matching my skin tone and it doesn't make my skin look like I have applied something on my face. At the same time, my face looks really bright and nice and dewy. I really love this particular shade of sunscreen. It's absolutely gorgeous, and if you're my skin tone, you can definitely go for this shade rather than going for this shade Sand variant. On the right side I've applied the Sand variant, on the left side I've applied the Beach variant, and you can see for yourself how beautiful it looks on my skin. Normal day you would apply a compact on top of this sunscreen because this is giving you a slightly dewy and a shiny finish, so you might have to apply a compact to mattify your face. If you have oily skin, you definitely cannot skip this step, guys. This is exactly what you want on a day when you don't want any makeup but just you want to look good. Next, I also applied the Porcelain variant just to show in case you guys thought that this is also going to look good on every skin tone. But this is definitely blending into the skin but giving a nice white kind of a tint on your face. If you're so fair, I don't think this is going to be a problem. But if you're my skin tone, you can use a compact which is darker. That way you can still get to use this one.
We're going to do a waterproof test. Spray some water on my face. I'm going to dab my face with the help of tissue, or I can show you if this is going to come off. Let me just rub it. I have applied a little bit of compact, but you can see that it is not coming off at all, guys. It's not coming off. You can see that my face still looks the same even after spraying water and wiping it off with a tissue. It still looks the same, and I really love this one. I really love this one, guys. If you're going to go out in the rain, if you get drenched in rain, or if you're going to sweat, this is still going to not go completely away from your face. I will not say that it has not come off at all. It has come off a little bit, but you can see that my face still looks the same. That's really great. Coming to the name of this sunscreen, which is a sun protection. Sunscreen has an SPF of 50+++. So minimum of SPF that you have to have in a sunscreen is 30, and you can go up to 50, 70. How much ever you get in a sunscreen, the higher the better. So this one has SPF of 50. It protects you from UVA, UVB as well as from the blue light, which is a very good thing. Let me tell you what the UVA and UVB rays do to your skin. UVA rays actually penetrate deeper layers of your skin, and it is going to cause fine lines, wrinkles, aging, and it is also the cause of many types of skin cancer. So protection from UVA is very, very important. So in this sunscreen, protection from UVA is what this PA refers to. So the PA++++ refers to the protection that it is offering against the UVA rays. Coming to the UVB rays doesn't penetrate that deeper into your skin tone. It affects the superficial layers of your skin tone, so it can cause dark spots, pigmentation. It can also cause skin cancer. So protection against UVB is also very, very important. So you have to also look into the ingredients of the sunscreen so that you understand that this can offer you protection against both UVA and UVB. It has a whole bunch of ingredients that can protect you from both UVA and UVB. This is a chemical sunscreen, so it has a lot of chemicals that scatters the UVA and UVB rays. The main ingredients that it has is tin oxide, avobenzone, oxybenzone, titanium dioxide. These are the main chemical filters that this sunscreen has. Titanium oxide is mostly used in all the sunscreens. It protects you against both UVA and UVB rays. Apart from the sun protection factor, this sunscreen also has some skincare benefits. It has niacinamide, guys. You know niacinamide is so good for your skin tone. It brightens your skin tone. It also helps in filling the dark spots. It also has hyaluronic acid, which is going to keep your skin plump, soft and youthful. On top of it, it has strawberry fruit extract. It is going to provide you that antioxidant benefit that is really going to help your skin to look healthy, and it is going to help tackle pigmentation. So the brand itself says that check tanning. So if you are suffering from tanning, this can actually reduce tanning as well. This sunscreen is fragrance free. It doesn't give you any white cast when you apply. That is a very big relief, and it also doesn't cause any peeling like if you're applying any product before you apply the sunscreen, and then maybe the products that we use doesn't work together so well, and it will lead to some sort of granular particles when you're like massaging products on the skin. So sunscreen is not going to give you that kind of a problem. And most importantly guys, it doesn't sting your eyes, and most of the sunscreens have used till the time today have that stinging effect on your eyes, and my eyes start watering as soon as I apply the sunscreen, and it takes quite some time to stop that stinging effect. So this one doesn't have that effect, which is a very big relief, guys. Let us see what the brand actually claims. The brand says that it is non-comedogenic. Okay, so non-comedogenic means it doesn't clog your pores. So if you're someone who have oily skin, it is not going to cause acne or breakouts on the skin. The brand also says that this is ideal for daily wear. It is going to check your tanning. It is also going to treat your dark spots. It gives you a natural matte finish. It's an ultra light fluid. It is not heavy on the face at all. It is dermatologically tested and it is 100% safe. This is what the brand claims, guys, and I can agree to 90% of them, whichever I have experienced. So this sunscreen is one of the best tinted sunscreens I have ever tried, guys. I absolutely love this one. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. I hope this video was useful in selecting the sunscreen and also gave you some knowledge about what this sunscreen actually has and how it works. To let me know in the comment section if you have already purchased and whether you really like this sunscreen or not. I'll see you again in another interesting video. Till then, tata, see you.